In this video, I'll show you how to switch accounts in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to head over to the very bottom and click on your profile. Now, once you click on your profile from here, you will automatically see the accounts that are connected to Asana. From here, I have two accounts. One is this email, and if I scroll down, we have here a purple workspace, and this will be for the other email. Now, in order for you to switch accounts, what you need to do is simply head over to the workspace of a different account. So let's say that on this workspace, I want to work on the admin area. So just simply click on that workspace. Now, once you do that, it will open a new tab. And as you can see, we are now on a different account. You can also do the same thing by simply heading over to your profile again. And from here, we want to head over and scroll down to the yellow workspace and work with the admin area. That will open another tab again, and that will be the account that we were on earlier. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.